Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later, because widgets depend on the modern widget engine. Once done, tap and hold on the home or lock screen to enter jiggle mode. This lets you add or move widgets. Next, tap the plus button in the top left corner to open the widget gallery. Make sure to scroll through sizes: small, medium, large. Pick the spinning widget size you prefer before adding it to the home screen. You find the spinning widget in the gallery. Use the search field if it's buried. Once you see the widget options, choose the size that shows an animated spinner clearly. Tap Add Widget, then drag it where you want on the home screen. Alignment affects visibility and interactions. Long press the widget and choose Edit Widget to select the data source and refresh behavior. This matters because some widgets animate only when fetching live data or running background updates. To finish, confirm background app refresh and necessary app permissions are enabled so the spinner updates reliably. If the widget doesn't animate, try restarting your iPhone. A reboot often resolves stalled processes. Once rebooted, re-add or reposition the widget if it still fails to spin. One key troubleshooting tip: if animations are frozen, check low power mode and reduce motion. Disable them to restore smooth spinning, and make sure the app providing the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.